yeah, Pew Fresh, what's up everyone? And oh yeah, Pew Fresh gang, and oh yeah, Pew Fresh fam. And hit the subscribe button, turn on your post notifications. And oh yeah, Pew Fresh, welcome to the oh yeah, Pew Fresh fam. I'm back, and I'm back with another banger video. Okay, so let me show you guys. So I recently got this chair, right? Shout out Dati, the hat, Dati Daryl. So I recently got this gaming chair, and now I gotta run it back to Canadian Computer. So I just had a shower, and I need a haircut too, and I'm also going my stash. And yeah, guys. So today I made shepherd's pie. Woohoo! My mom took the other half just to give it to my grandpa. But made shepherd's pie and wedges. But oh yeah, people are gang. Anyways, I'm gonna be doing a mukbang too. I'm gonna be doing a mukbang. And yeah, guys. And how's you guys' day going? I don't know if I said that yet. But yeah. And wearing the Toronto Raptors t-shirt. And yeah, guys. So, anyways, this video's not done yet. I'm gonna be doing a mukbang. What's it called? Video. So I'll see you guys then. And peace out, guys. And I'll see you guys when I come back. Oh yeah, Pew Fresh, what's up, fam? Hit the subscribe button. Hit the subscribe button, turn your post notifications, like and comment, and oh yeah, Pew Fresh game. Look at them over there.
I'm gonna like you.
Anyways, I made ta-da! Shepherd's pie. And oh, I always have something stuck in my teeth. No way.
No. I'm like
Ah. Ah.
You're studying that on YouTube?
Ah. Not gonna work.
Sweet crunch.
Ah. Mm-hmm. You got another prank coming your way. Part 2, guys. Part 2. Mm-hmm. And all this is freshly made. Mm-hmm. One second.
You can perceive us as Sweet Crunch.
Put this aside right here. Now, put this in the way. There we go. Mm-hmm. This is called the homemade shepherd's pie mukbang. Shout out Lamb. Oh yeah, real fresh. And yeah, get married too. And her too. And Dimitri and Drake is out too. Anyway, how's everyone's day going? Octavius' album's coming out. I can't wait.
Well, Pastor comes tomorrow.
And I gotta do that with my brother Chad Tupper and Kristen Hempy. Oh yeah, you wet. Yeah, away. Mm. And it's homemade gravy too. Oh man, Ram, you gotta try this, bud. Oh yeah. Shout out Bongo and Wolfie and Dr. Hobbs and Champ and Jay and DJ and Omar, David and everyone. I can't believe how hungry I was. I haven't ate since 2 and it's like 6:44 right now. Yeah. Don't forget, always eat your vegetables. Lettuce, tomato, cucumber is my favorite, and pineapple. Oh wow. Oh, and if you guys didn't notice, I'm growing a mustache. Cheers. Oh yeah, refresh. By the way, this is root beer. It's my brother's pop. And I made homemade wedges. This whole meal was like $41, I think. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, I feel fresh, man. And ham and FK and oh yeah. Excuse me. Oh, my battery's at 20%. And done. I got 4. But
Why'd you get full so fast?
ah,
What?
I got another plate coming for you tomorrow.
Stop!
That's
Stop!
what you get for interrupting my videos.
You're not posting that.
I am.
Start all over again.
But anyways, guys, hit the subscribe button, like and comment, to post notification. And oh yeah, people screen. Also, guys, always ask someone how the day's going and how's the day going. And yeah. And yeah, guys, peace out. Thank you for watching my shepherd's pie, how to make shepherd pie, and then mukbang. Oh yeah, people screen. Alright, peace out, guys.
Colder than an ice cappuccino. Oh yeah, and I